Want to install a noisy gear drive today? Let's do it. I'm LT and this is my garage. This is my 78 Chevy LUV and it needs some loving. I've been neglecting it all summer long, so time to get back on it. That is what's going in. It is a crate 350 I got from ATK. Carburetors and intake I've had for a while from another project. And today I'm going to take a timing chain out, put it in a gear drive. Always put your bolts somewhere safe. These magnetic trays work great, because when I kick it, and I will, it doesn't end up all over the floor. Alright, so this is the timing set that I took out, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's brand new. This gear drive is what I'm putting in, and I'll be honest with you, the only reason I'm doing it is because I like the noise. This is loud, and it's going to sound cool. Moving on to the cam gear. We have this cam lock. I'm going to go on there. Cam gear. And we have the cam lock plate. That's going to go there. Bolts in loosely now. This cam lock plate will eventually fold over the bolts so they won't come out. We don't got to worry about those guys anymore once we torque them down to 20 foot-pounds. Before we torque those, we're going to have to put the idler gears on. You got one big one, one small one. Big one goes on the left. Mess around with that for a little bit here. Alright, those are torqued to 20 foot-pounds, and we have our cam thrust button here. We're going to stick it in the middle. bend these tabs over. Alright, that's it. Now we just got to put the timing cover back on and that's done. Well, Daisy Duke, we did it. We installed the gear drive and even made a video. Good job. Alright.